Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva Vedavathi, and now we are watching part 3 of Kerala video. After traveling a little in Kerala, we have taken a deviation and have reached Valparai in Tamil Nadu. It is 7 in the morning. As the light of the day began, we set out to explore this beautiful, breathtaking tea garden.
बीच बीच में ऐसे ऐसे निकाल के मतलब एंजॉय करते हैं.
Oh, that's leaving it.
See, the advantage of traveling in South India is having so many options for breakfast. Dosa, idli, chutney, sambar, pongal, and we had all of it with this spectacular view.
For him, I think we should.
We stayed at this place called Misty Creeks, and the private balcony of this place unarguably had the best view. Let's hear more about Valparai from them.
This is a very nice place where people coexist with wildlife. So there was this gentleman called Marsh, G.A. Marsh. So he was actually given instructions to create plantations, tea plantations.
Okay.
So he, with the help of local tribals, was able to gain entry into this place and made a lot of changes. And a lot of people were brought in for work because the Aborigines are the tribals who live here.
Okay.
There are about 5 tribes here.
Okay.
So those are the people who are Aborigines. So
Okay.
the rest of us, not just me, and people who claim that their grandparents were born here and all, are all people
Who moved here.
generally settlers.
Okay.
Tiger Project. Tigers are here.
Okay.
And a lot of wildlife, in fact, not just
Okay.
tigers. A lot of leopards, sloth bear we have,
Oh wow.
wild dogs, a lot of reptiles for that matter.
Okay.
It's a place where people coexist with wildlife. Valparai is in the middle of the tiger reserve.
Okay.
Uh, Pocket sholas, or small fragments of forests
Okay.
within the plantation.
Okay. We saw singing birds actually.
Yeah, that's
They were singing.
Yeah, that's Malabar whistling thrush.
Yeah, I was whistling actually.
Correct.
Yeah.
Early morning, right?
Yeah, it was whistling. I thought there could be a milkman or somebody whistling, but it continued, and it came very closer.
Yeah, it starts around almost 3 a.m., 4 a.m.
On our way back to Kerala, we saw beauty comes with a price tag. As beautiful as it seems, there is a dark side to these tea plantations. Tea plantation results in direct loss of habitat. Land clearance at huge levels have severe negative impacts on the environment. Anyways, this on your screen is the Sholaya Dam. We are back on our journey to Kerala to see the mighty Athirapally Falls, aka Bahubali Falls. So guys, here we finally are at this place where the waterfall scene from the magnificent Bahubali movie was shot. After we spent quite some time at the waterfalls, to quench our thirst, we drank the coconut water.
This guy has paper straws. How cool is that? Show me a paper straw. Good, right?
Yeah, really good.
At another local shop right outside the entry gate of Athirapally, super spicy, super tangy, super sweet, a little piece of flavorful dhamaka this one was. If you guys happen to know the name of this one, please comment down.
This is the spicy pineapple, the spicy chili water. They had the spicy pineapple.
By the way, did you notice the spoon made out of coconut shell? So, woke up in Valparai, went around the tea gardens, travelled to Athirapally, hiked up and down to see the waterfalls, and now we are heading to Alleppy. It was a tiring and a super long day. Here we are finally at Zostel's in Alleppy. Right outside our hostel in Alleppy, we found someone to share some leftover food.
Are you studying or
No, working.
working? Where are what are you?
Bangalore. I'm working as
IT.
IT.
Engineer,
Okay.
engineer.
Very good. Very good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good day. Enjoy your fish.
Okay. And,
chicken.
Your good name, please.
Sindhu.
Sindhu. Your
Apoorva.
Apoorva.
Yeah.
Very nice name.
Thank you.
My name is Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Sebastian. Okay.
Okay. Good day.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night. I am super excited to meet some amazing people and to show you Alleppy, the Venice of East. That's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you all in my next video.